people with suppressors, because we've killed more than 8 people. I only have a suppressed weapons. Right?
Possibly.
And you're only at 8?
Yeah, that's weird.
Oh, are you killing people with your sniper, which is not suppressed?
No. No, I'm killing it with the DMR. SO14. Oh my god, it's so slow.
Yeah, it's obnoxious when it slows down, but makes it easier to get on it.
And land those headshots, am I right?
Yep. Oh, there's a sniper on the building. That building up there. Just careful.
Dude on the 3rd car on the train.
Yeah.
There's another one here.
I just said dude on the 3rd car on the train, and then I fucking down him.
Oh man.
What?
There's so many dudes right there and I couldn't shoot them because...
Sniper?
No, because the other train cars got in the way.
It's funny those guys still trying to take pot shots. I guess he's mad I fucking sniped his ass. Alright. That guy's comms were good though, man. Dude on the 3rd car? What is this?
Right?
Like...
You need him as a teammate.
Right? Like, we would be like, dudes over there? Like...
120 degrees? Oh, there's an LTV.
Yep, I see it. Oh, I hit it with the fucking
Me too.
Yeah, you guys are retarded, aren't you? Like, you're not gonna shoot at him at all. You're just gonna fuck it.
That was awesome.